YouTube? We're back with another YouTube video. And you're not messing with Herbie. You know what?
Thank you and have a spectacular day.
Don't mess with the Herbies. Don't mess with the Herbies.
Look, I want one. The vlog in your life.
Yeah, we'll fight.
I am nice.
Okay, I decided to show y'all our slime. Mine is called Vanilla Marshmallow Sprinkle. We'll put the ingredients in the description.
Yeah, it's a good day's work. A day that is about to end.
Kind of sticky.
Happy National Cowboy Day, cowboy!
Really thought making all those saves would
It's
work.
not
We're
clear.
just gonna relive this horrible day for the rest of
Because I
our
made it with
lives.
white glue.
Yeesh, what a drama queen.
You know what? I'm calling the Hero League. It's time to get help. No! Max, give me my phone back. Let me put an end to this. I can't, Phoebe. Why not? Because I want us to figure this out ourselves. We're superheroes. We should be able to fix this. But no buts. Buts are for quitters and sitters. Now you're just being weird, but if this is what you really want, then fine. It is. Now, go upstairs and have some of Dad's freakish pancakes. He loves more than us. I'll be up there in a minute. It's getting harder to keep you a secret, repeat clock. Repeat clock? It's not the Z-Force making you slip this day over and over. It's you.
Drama!
What? I know. We'll talk about Max. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to smile. Bye!